Hello students, today we will learn how to create your pivot table and how to insert the slicer in between. Slicer in the pivot table is used to filter your data, your existing data. As you know that you are giving the arrow here, it will sort out your data that sort A to Z or Z to 8 whatever. But when you are going to sort your data or filter your data with multiple fields, then it is very difficult for the Excel to manage the data. Now you go to pivot tools contextual tab, and you are having two tabs here, analyze and design. When you are going to analyze tab, you are having a filter group here, and you are having the option insert slicer. You check the boxes where you want to insert the slicer, like if you want to insert slicer on the company as well as on the January. You press OK. Yes, your two slices are created. Now what is the use of these slices? If you want to sort out your company that is having the company name A7B Centers, you just click this and only this record will be shown to you. If you are going for the January reading and you want to show the 22,000, now why no record is showing here? Because you have selected A7B Centers and 22,000 here. It is not matching. It is creating a conditioning here that is going to be false. So if you click on shop, it is not showing. So now it is showing because the 22,000 reading is of J&K Centers. That's why it's showing the record. So it is the way how you create the slicers in your pivot table. When you're going to undo all the things, you're going to see that in the Analyze tab, you're having Insert Timeline here. This timeline is for the dates only. Use a timeline to filter dates. Timelines make it faster and easier to select time periods in order to filter pivot tables, pivot charts, or cubic functions. Like if you're having date column here and you're going to enter any date, then to filter these dates, you need to have the timeline tab. So it is the way to add the slicers and timelines and how to use them and how to use for. Thank you.